Everybody, I posted a recipe for sauerkraut and sausage, and today I thought I'd walk you through the actual steps. Um, I posted that you need Hillshire Farms beef smoked sausage, no MSG added, which is great. Russet potatoes, salt. Here's that bouquet, kitchen bouquet I was talking to you about. Little bottle, you can buy it at the grocery store. Libby's crispy sauerkraut, 2 jars, 2 packages of kielbasa. Low sodium bacon is the best way to go, guys. A good quality bacon. Parmesan's is a good quality bacon. So I got the potatoes boiling. They've been chopped and salted. And in the pan, I'm about to start the process. I drain the sauerkraut. I have it at the bottom of the pan. Chopped up the sausage into little cubes, about an inch and a half, and 4 to 5 slices of bacon, guys. Now what we're going to do is top this off with good quality water above the ingredients. So I'd say right about here, just right above the ingredients, guys. Medium heat for about an hour. Stir as you go. And then like 15 minutes before you're done, you're going to put 3 tablespoons of this kitchen bouquet. Mix it in. It'll turn a nice color brown. And let that infuse into the ingredients for the next 15-20 minutes. So I'd say 35 minutes for the potatoes to boil. Almost an hour for this dish. And you're good to go. Ready to rock and roll, guys. Please post me comments on how you enjoyed this dish. I know I am today, and I hope you do too. Happy cooking.